Hi beautiful people, Madam Sophie here again to do another review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Too Faced Then and Now eyeshadow palette. Guys, I've had this palette for so long. Well, actually it's probably 2 weeks now since I've had it. I meant to come record a video for you guys, but I have been so busy. I've been back at work and I'm just trying to kind of get used to the pattern. Currently, well, going back to work in a position that is completely different from what I was doing before came with a lot more responsibility. It came with a lot more of everything, more time, everything, and it's just been a bit difficult for me right now to balance work with YouTube stuff and the other stuff that I need to take care of. Okay, but I'm still here. I'm still gonna be doing videos. That does not mean that I'm going to be pausing for some cause that is not really a cause. I love recording videos. I love being here on YouTube. I love YouTube. Even though I just started, I love it. I love how you guys have welcomed me here, and I'm just going to continue putting out content for you guys. Okay, so enough of the chit chat, enough of the sorry story time. I'm just going to jump right into this makeup review. So I bought this eyeshadow palette at Sephora. I bought it at Sephora, and like I said, I've had it for about 2 weeks now. I just haven't had a chance to do a review for you guys. So this is basically an eyeshadow palette that was inspired by Too Faced Cosmetics 20-year celebration. It was their birthday. I believe it was their birthday last month. And as you know, the palette came with the little booklet over here. And it just said it all started with 2 boys, a dream, and glitter eyeshadow. And then it has a little diagram on some eyeshadow ideas. You know, I'm just gonna add my own first. I don't think I'm gonna follow this. But enough of the chatter. So it came in this box. Just so you guys can see, it came in the box. This is the packaging it came in, and this is the back of it. Okay, so it says in the front, Too Faced Then and Now eyeshadow palette. Then at the back, I'm guessing that the top row represents the Circle palette in 1998, and I guess the bottom part represents the Too Faced Circle palette in 2008. Okay, if they basically took their original shades and they reinvented it in this eyeshadow palette. Okay, so basically that's what it is. The eyeshadow palette has a total of 20 colors. Okay, and the price is a little high up there. I believe it would be in the $60 to $65 range. I think it probably retails for about $59, but I am a VIB member and I was able to get 15% off at Sephora, so I got it at not a bargain price, but I was able to get a little discount. Okay, so basically that's it. And this, it says on here, to celebrate our 20th birthday, this limited edition Then and Now eyeshadow palette features the 10 original shades in a modern formula and 10 completely new shades inspired by the originals, re-imaged with the 2018 twist. Go ahead, overindulge. Everything smells like yummy birthday cake. Let me see if it smells like yummy birthday cake, because I looked at other reviews and they said it didn't really smell like yummy birthday cake. It smells like yummy birthday cake, but you're gonna have to really like put your nose like really close to smell the yummy birthday cake. It's not like the the Too Faced chocolate gold palette where you could smell it from a distance. The yummy birthday cake smell they're talking about, you're gonna really have to do a close sniff to get that scent they're talking about. Okay, so basically that's what it says on the packaging. That's what it is. Let me show you guys what the colors look like. I really love the packaging. It's so nice and sparkly. I love the rose, the pink glitter color. It comes with a mirror right here. On the mirror it says celebrating 20 years of being fabulous. So this is what it says on the mirror. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says 20 years, celebrating 20 years of being fabulous. And these are the colors, guys. This palette is so big. This palette is so big. I'm gonna have to zoom out so you guys can see the whole thing. Okay, so these are the original shades, and these are the reinvented shades. Well, actually, these are the original shades, but in a new formula, and this one is the 2018 version. Now that I have the palette really close to my face, I'm really taking the smell of the birthday cake. So basically that's what it is. Let me put it like this so you can get a closer look. Okay, so you have some gold, some greens, and you have some purple, some black and white. Okay, so I don't know what color I'm gonna go for, but I'm gonna play. I'm gonna do some playing around with this palette. I just hope that the formula is good. I did not really do a swatch of all of the colors when I was in Sephora. I just wanted to get what it is and just get out. One of the things I must bring to your attention is, I don't know if you guys could see it, but the pans in this palette are not really positioned correctly. They're kind of positioned crooked, and it's not really a big deal to me. But apparently, the palette I got, the shades were not glued on correctly. Is it just me? Yes, the shades are not glued on correctly. This one looks crooked. It looks like very crooked. Let me put it up close so you see what I'm talking about. This one looks very crooked. Okay, and the row on the top, it is like crooked looking. The pans were not positioned properly. So just trying to be picky, but this is what it is for now. Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyes and I'm going to be right back to show you my eyeshadow play using the Too Faced Then and Now eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use Gretchen, and this is from the 2008 collection. This is Gretchen. It is a really cute, it looks like a really cute transition color, skin tone color, I would say. Now I'm going to go in this color. Okay, this color is called I Can't Even. So I'm going to cut my crease, and to cut my crease, I'm going to go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer in the color C10. Okay, C10, this is what I'm going to use to cut my crease. Okay guys, now I don't know if I lost the footage of that video, but basically what I did was I was fixing things up. I went back in the color Ooh La La, the dark side, and then I kind of smoothed out that shimmery color, which was a chill out color. And after I did that, I went back in the Trixie color as well as the Zaza color to blend out everything, make sure everything is well blended out. So basically I was just fixing things up just in case the footage got deleted or something. Basically the my camera ended up turning off on me without me even knowing, because it had a low battery. So I'm just hoping that not everything is lost. So next I'm going to go in the art color, which is this the silver color right over here. Okay. Okay guys, so I am done with those eyes. I think I didn't choose my colors wisely, but I mean, it is what it is. It looks good. I think it looks good. So I'm gonna put some foundation on, and I'm gonna be right back to let you guys see the final look. Hey guys, I'm back. Lashes are done, foundation's done, blushes done, highlighters done, lips are done, hair is on, and guess what? Earrings are on too. Okay guys, so this is my final look using this palette. This is the Too Faced, oops, I have it the wrong way. This is the Too Faced Then and Now palette. But I guess because they wanted to be extravagant to celebrate the 20th anniversary, they made it extra big. They went in big, and I really don't blame them for having an eyeshadow palette that big just to celebrate something very special. 20 years is a long time, and well, I understand. If it was me, I would do the very same thing. So again, you have 10 colors in this palette. This palette does smell like birthday cake, like it said on the back of the packaging. 20 colors. You have 10 colors in each row. More like 22 colors, because you have 2 colors split up in 2. So I would say you have 22 eyeshadow shades to be more accurate. Okay, I used a mixture of colors from both the Then palette, sorry, from both the Then lineup and the Now lineup. I did use quite a bit. I use more of the colors from the Then collection, which is this row. I used more colors from up here. I did not use very many colors from down here. I think the colors I really use from down here would be this nude color as well. I also use the black color from down here, and I also use this color right here, Chill Out. Okay, so I used quite a few. I use about 3 to 4 colors in the bottom row, but majority of the colors I use for this look came from the top row. Okay, the top row has more subtle shimmer dimensions to it. However, with the bottom row, you have more dual chrome, glittery moon dust colors in the bottom row. This palette has only, I want to say 3. Yes, this palette has only 3 matte colors, and it's this color right here, this color right here, and this color right here. These are the only 3 matte colors in this palette. And I think it's okay. It does not really affect me, because one of the matte colors in this palette is a really good transition shade. So I'm very satisfied with that. I mean, if they made another color that was not a transition shade, then we would have a problem. But you have two colors in here that you could use as a transition shade, and that really is a plus for me. The black in this palette is really neat. I didn't have a problem blending in any of the dark colors from here. One thing about this palette is you do get fallout. You do get fallout, but the fallout is not very extreme. But I did get fallout when I was applying it on my eye, and I also got some fallout in the pan. Okay, and I guess that is because the different shades have different formulas to them. So I guess that's probably why. Another big deal about this palette is the bottom row, the Now collection down in this section. The eyeshadow seem to have a different formula than the Then collection, because the Now collection, the eyeshadow seemed to be a bit more buttery, and it seemed to be more it's more buttery. So this is what I can observe for now. What else can I see about this palette? I just wish that they glued on these eyeshadow pots straight. They're looking all crooked. But anyway, like I said, it doesn't really bother me, but it is what it is. Okay. This is my final take on the Too Faced Then and Now palette. If you've tried this palette before and you have mixed feelings about it, please don't be afraid to share your opinion down in the comment section. If you had a different experience with this palette, please let me know. I'll be more than willing to listen and to read and to respond to any comments or any queries you may have in regards to this palette. Was it worth the money? I think that it was a bit too pricey. But I mean, this is Too Faced. You must expect that. Okay, it's a higher end of makeup brand, so it is what it is. You're just gonna have to pay that extra buck. But I think it's okay. I think I may sell this palette. I don't know how soon, but I don't feel like hanging on to it. Okay, so this is my take on this palette. This is the final look. Let me do a quick close-up.